Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys. In this video I will show you how to create a service website in under 5 minutes using WordPress step by step. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos uploaded every week. Let us look at the website demo before diving into the tutorial. So here you can see that this is the website demo that we are going to build. Here we have a header and then we have link to different pages. In the first section we have this hero section where we have some heading and title. In the next section we have these boxes over here. With this, moving to the next, here we have on image on the left and on the right we have some title, heading and description. And then moving to the next, here you can see that we have different fundraise going on and how much fundraised done over here and how much is the goal. Everything is mentioned over here with this donate button. Moving to the next section, here you can see that on the left side we have some title, heading, description and then these icon boxes, and on the right side I have an image. Moving to the next, here you can see that on the left side we have some donation form over here, and on the right side we have address and then we have opening hours, everything. Then at the last section here you can see that we have this upcoming event section. Then we have our footer top over here. With this we have a beautiful footer over here. Moving to the next section, here you can see that this is the about us page and we have a page title over here with a breadcrumb on the right side. Then we have again the image on the left, and on the right side we have a content, and here you can see that we have some image boxes over here where we have described about what are we provide. And then here we have a image gallery. Then we have this volunteer images with the social links over here. Then we have our beautiful footer. Moving to the next page, this is the event page and where we have mentioned all the events, and then we have a gallery of images of all the events. Then here we have this mission over here section where we have these icon boxes. Moving to the causes page, here you can see that in the causes page we have all this, how many fund we are going to raise and what is the goal and how much till now done. Everything is showing over here with the progress bar and a donate button. Then we have image of different fund raised over here. Then on the left side here you can see that we have a donation form, and on the right side again we have this office addresses and then phone number, email, contacts, everything. Then here you can see we have these testimonials. Then we have this counter over here where we have like mentioning number of volunteers, campaigns, total country we covered, everything. Then we have our footer. Moving to the last page, which is our contact page, and here you can see that this is the contact page where we have contact details, and on the right side we have a contact form when someone can fill this. Then we have our map location. Then we have our footer. So this website is fully responsive also. So now let me show you. So here you can see that this website is completely responsive. So now let me show you how to build this website in 5 minutes. For this we need to go to the WordPress dashboard, and here we have to enter our username and password to log inside the WordPress dashboard. So let me quickly enter my username and password over here. Once you will enter your username and password, it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard page. Then from here what we have to do, we have to install a plugin to import the file that I am going to provide you in the link description below. So here you can hover over these plugins and just click on this add new. So once you will click on this add new, you have now in the search of the plugin, just go to here and just search for all-in-one. Once you will search for all-in-one, the plugin that we are going to use here is this all-in-one WP migration. You have to click on this install now button to install this plugin, and then let's wait till this installing completed. Once this installing will complete, we are going to activate this plugin and we are going to use. So here you can see that this plugin is installed. Now let's click on this activate button to activate this plugin. Once this plugin will be activated, on the left sidebar here you can see that we are getting this all-in-one WP migration option. just hover over it and then you can go to the import option. Now here we have to import our file, so let's quickly import our file. Now you can see that the file is getting imported. Once this one will get imported, then we have getting this important process point where we have to click on this proceed to get all our files over here. We also have a companion video for this website that is around 2 hours long, which will teach you how to build this website from scratch without using this file. You can save your time to build this website using the template we showed you in this video. You can get this template from the link given in the description below. For our existing course members, there are 20 plus ready to use template curated by our team available under the template section on the course dashboard. Feel free to use any of them for your future projects and get your website ready in under 10 minutes. So now here you can see that our imported file is completely successfully imported. Now just click on this finish option. Now let's visit the page and let's see. So now here you can see that our website is imported and ready to be used. Let's check the mobile view also. So here you can see that our mobile view is also working fine. So now you hope you like this video tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.